Good morning to everybody. At the outset, I would like to address, first of all, the Grandmaster Patriji, from whom Mr. Chandra has become a second Grandmaster of this breath mindful meditation. It is benefiting huge number of people. I am sure in the coming years, his selfless service along with his family members and of course supported by the backbone Vanima and his team of staff. I am sure millions of people are going to be benefited. I am happy I am one of the beneficiaries through introduction by Padma Shri Karthikeyan sir, from whom I received a Lifetime Achievement Award, which I am sharing with you in Delhi Tamil Sangam. This was done sometime in 2014. Although I met him in India Habitat Center 25 years ago, the acquaintance became much familiar after he started giving newsletters to me. I used to read the newsletters and I was feeling small to reply to all his newsletters. Once I received the newsletter saying that there was going to be a workshop on one-day program, and I vividly remember that was about 15 days prior to 9th July 2020, where Corona was devastating the entire world. And this was the right time, I would say. I thought I will join this meditation program, and I heard from Chandraji that there's going to be a guided meditation program from July 9th onwards. So it's almost about 150 days, 5 months I've been meditating, 4 months of, rather 100 days of guided meditation and 50 days of own self-meditation. My pre-meditation scenario was little tough, in the sense I was undergoing stress due to setbacks in the family. In fact, a year ago, I lost my beloved wife and I was feeling lonely. Naturally, as for everyone, the retired life, I superannuated in 2017 and I was re-employed by the government again to facilitate the services of the medical college and this hospital. It's a 1,400 bedded hospital to guide the people and the Vice Chancellor on medical affairs. So I am also continuing now. And on the other front, I was also involved in the tough job of dealing with one of the major issues in the institution, a litigation which was going on for about 5.5 years. So that was also a stressful situation which I was coming across. And having been introduced into this program, third day itself I could understand the value of meditation. Unless you experience, you will not understand what it is. So within about 2 days, I could see the value of meditation and what is going to be in the next few days or few 40 days I'm going to gain. I thought I will join this program. I registered and I was attending as Dr. Guy said, my personal life became highly systematic. I became a vegetarian because I was told by Patriji when he visited when this group, he said vegetarianism is the most important thing if you want to gain full benefits out of meditation. And of course, I was continuing meditation thoroughly. Promptly, I used to be in the group by 5:45 to 6 o'clock, which I have never done it in my life. Maybe in school days, I used to get up at 4 o'clock and study. During my professional MBBS course, it was a different scenario. 5 o'clock, I used to get up. So after that, it was, and since I was doing academic and administrative work for the past 30 years, it was a bit erratic. But post-retirement, again, it became erratic because anytime you can start up and go, it was something like that. And after the first session itself, I could find a lot of benefits. Number one, my life became systematic. And due to my stress in the family as well as in the service, I started having severe blood pressure. In fact, it was uncontrolled hypertension. We used to call it as sir will know, Dr. Patnashi Ramani sir will know, and other doctors here also will know the impact of severe uncontrolled hypertension. I was taking about 8 or 9 medications for the full control of my blood pressure. After the end of first session itself, I could reduce I thought I'll reduce the medication and see the blood pressure. And 1/3 of drug I reduced, and I'm taking only 2/3 of doses now. Although I changed the medication prescription a bit myself. Secondly, my heart rate used to be 110. It used to vary from 90 to 110. Sometimes due to anxiety of getting the work done, getting the job finished in time. The heart rate became quite, and now the heart rate is about ranges from 76 to 80, which is quite acceptable. In fact, we accept the heart rate, anything below 80 or 70 is quite acceptable. Similarly, I used to have wheezing attacks, that is bronchial asthma, seasonal attacks during winter season. That also became very much less. If you say it was 100%, it became almost 10%. 90% benefit I've because some of you would know, medical doctors, it's a psychosomatic disease. And I know by meditation, psychosomatic diseases can be brought under control. So that was a great benefit because you get asthmatic attacks middle of the night and you don't have sleep at all after midnight. Classically, the attacks start at 2 o'clock and it lasts for about 2 hours until about 4 a.m. in the morning. That was my experience during seasons, especially winter seasons. Being the winter season, it totally disappeared, and I am totally free of asthma, and I could even get up early in the morning by 4 o'clock and have my bath, which I never had, because I used to be afraid of having bath during early morning. Now it is possible. Thirdly, with regard to the physical health, my HbA1c, I had an impaired glucose tolerance. You know, diabetes is becoming more and more prevalent in our country. The value was ranging from 6.5 to 7 earlier, but now it is 6. And my food habits become highly regular. I became a vegetarian, as I told you earlier. So that was another benefit with regard to the physical health. And on the side of psychosocial impact or benefits, I am quietened to a large extent with a good peer relationship, handling people. The most important benefit, I would say, I was appointed as the leader of the clinical management for the district of Kadalur in Tamil Nadu. Between 15th September, the pre-meditation, during the meditation which I was undergoing, that was at peak. Large phone calls, lot of phone calls from government side, from the public side, from the hospital side, from patient side. So I was undergoing a lot of stress. We had about 300 patients in our hospital, and I was leading the team, not only the treatment part, but also the logistic part. I could handle it very well without any hassle. And every advice from my side was taken up by the district administration, and through the district administration, it was passed on to the state level, state health officials, and we could get a lot of equipments to our hospital, which even corporate hospitals could not have. So within about 15 days, I could bring everything under control, and there was a gross decline. It went to the peak of 300 patients, and the ICU was flooded with cases. There was no bed at all. Whereas in about 15 days' time, I could bring everything under control. Of course, not me, with our team. With our team staff, I could bring everything under control. And the cases now has reduced, and Kadalur being one of the hot spots of 5 districts of 32 districts in Tamil Nadu, now the cases in ICU, out of 23 beds, we got only 4 cases. That was another benefit, I could say. I would like to share because of the excellent, perception, or rather power, empowerment which I had out of meditation. Apart from this, I had another big problem, in the sense I had a I had met with an accident about 3 years ago, which has resulted in a cervical disc prolapse. Again, the medical doctors will know the impact of disc prolapse. It can even lead to quadriparesis. Fortunately, it was posterior disc prolapse, so I did not have any paralysis of any paresis or paralysis of any limbs. Quadriparesis means paralysis of all four limbs. That is, the power of all limbs can go down. If you travel, especially people used to, you must have seen people using neck collars, traction, etc. I was undergoing physiotherapy. Physiotherapy could offer benefit only to about 75%. I was planning to undergo a surgery after this corona thing, corona issue is over, because two of my friends have undergone discectomy, which relieved the pain and paralysis. I was having severe neck pain and intermittent electric shock-like sensation in my right limb that totally disappeared, which is, amazing. So these are the physical, social, personal, and other help which meditation has given me. And I'm thankful to Mr. Chandraji, and especially I've already made my mentor, Dr. Karthikeyan Ji, as my guru, and he is advising me all the time. So in the interest of time, I would also like to cut short, and I'm very, very thankful not only for this, but also by this I got introduced to great Jambavans like Padma Shri R.V. Ramani sir, Dr. S.V.B. sir, and many others. I am sorry if I have not mentioned any other person, Mrs. Vanima, and other teams masters, and I have become acquainted with this wide group, and I never feel loneliness. I feel I am interacting with a large number of people. I'm seeing the interaction, although I am not interacting, but I'm seeing the interaction with a large number of people. About 500 people are interacting every day. That itself is a great experience and gives a mental satisfaction to all of us. And I wish the program is taken up globally, and I request Dr. D.R. Kesar, who sowed the seed, now has become a very big forest. Forest in the sense, not in the real sense, but in terms of trees, which he has planted about 1 lakh trees, I believe, in his career. Which goes as a single person, if he has done, if we could do it after his retirement, 1 lakh trees. You can imagine how much of courage and faith he must have had, and love for the plants life, not only for the human beings, but also love for the plants. So with this, I would like to conclude by thanking again Chandra and his team. And I wish, again, in one of the sessions, I requested people to donate liberally to the foundation so that it can grow well. With this, the the interest of time, I conclude. I will share more experience in future also. Thank you very much. I'll be with you forever, Chandra. And thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. Thank you.